Hello YouTube, this is Larry with the Mac Corner. We have some iPads for sale. They are iPad mini 5th gen. We have some iPad 12.9 3rd gens. We have some 11-inch iPads. You see we have some watches. We have iPhone 8s. We have some 10.5-inch iPad Pros. They're cellular, 64 gigs. A couple of Mac minis for sale. And over here we have some computers. And here we have some really nice 15-inch 2017 MacBook Pros. Great condition. They all have a year warranty. And we have our SEMA, no credit needed, 90-day, same as cash payment option. That's a great benefit. And then we have some 13-inch computers. We're going to be getting some more in on Friday. A couple of MacBook Airs from 2015, great machines for school. A couple of really great price, $399 MacBook Pros. And then over here we have some iMacs, 5K. This one is a 5K 2015, and then this one is a 2019. So pretty much brand new, 512 gigs of hard drive space. $17.99. We have some 21-inch computers. Check back weekly. I'll update with inventory, or I'll get inventory updated as we get it in. Thanks, bye.